Hi guys! So I'm in a bit of a situation here. I just got a call like 2 hours back, and apparently I got an ad, and I have to fly tonight. I have to fly tonight to Bombay for the shoot. It's currently 12:04 a.m. and I just booked my flights literally 1 hour back, and my flight is now at 3 a.m. So we have to leave. We have to leave house by like 12:30 or something like that. Yes, you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog because it's gonna show you the behind the scenes for such a big shoot, such a big ad. It took like 30 minutes. I packed all my outfits, etc. And I'm just gonna brush, put a little concealer here so that I don't look dead, and that's all. Then I'll leave for the airport and I'll meet you there. You know what, I'm not gonna complain because this is literally the life of a model. You have to wake up at 3 a.m, 4 a.m and still show up the entire day without zero sleep. So this is what is gonna happen with me today. I'm gonna show you how I pull an all-nighter plus one full day without sleep. So right now it's 12 a.m. I showed you the time. Now we're gonna meet at the airport, and then I'm gonna meet you at the shoot, at the set. So it's gonna be very long day, 24 hours without sleep. Like I have pulled this before as well for many shows, but I don't know. Coffee for the win. Yeah, I'm ready to leave. My hair is still a bit wet. I washed my hair because I didn't know I was going for a shoot. But anyways, these are my earrings from Gucci. I'm wearing a watch. Okay, so we're about to leave. The time right now is 12:23 and a.m. We finally reached the airport. I'm gonna check in our luggage. We're trying to figure something out. We're placing the bag here, but it's just not happening. There's no human present here. So finally done with security. It actually took extra time because he asked me. I explained to him that these are mirror glasses, and then he was like, "Okay, but what's the battery do?" I was like, "It's actually a camera." Anyways, he was intrigued and he was surprised and shocked. But yeah, that was about it. So now we're at the lounge, and I'm not sure I'm gonna have anything because it's literally like it's almost 2. People will think that today I'm gonna pull 24 hours without sleep. I don't know how much caffeine I'm gonna drink, but I'm gonna update you guys whenever I have one coffee. Just gonna rush to my gate. I think I'm running late, so I'm just waiting for my boarding to start. And the worst place to shoot because there are like thousands of people around me and they're looking at me. I guess it's not common to shoot here, that's why. So now I'm gonna go to my gate, guys, and so I'm not gonna go to my gate, and I'll see you soon. So you know what's happening? We're like clicking up pictures and videos, and we're taking like clips, and people are looking at us. They might be thinking that this is our first flight, and like this is the first time traveling from airplane. But guess what, guys? We're content creators. We're YouTubers. This is what we do. This is what our life is. We have to click. We have to keep shooting. But who's gonna explain it to them? They're gonna stare. So stare away. Yeah, you too. I'm gonna catch you later when I land, and I'll get back to you. Don't go right now because a great shoot awaits, and you're gonna enjoy. You're gonna love it, and yeah, I'll see you soon. So basically, I got this whole vanity van to myself, and I'm just gonna put on my first change. I've tried like 100 different outfits, and we still. No, it's fine. I'm vlogging. You can come if you want. You can come. He's my stylist here. Say hi. So we've tried like 100 different outfits, and we're still deciding.
I think do
This? Yeah. Okay. So this is the clutter. Just gonna put sunscreen because it's like 3-4 UV outside. Just don't look at my hair, it's so messed up. So I think breakfast is ready, so I'm just gonna head for breakfast and I'll see you guys later. I don't know how much I'll be able to speak during this shoot, but it's gonna be really amazing. Like, this is my own vanity, I'm gonna show you everything. So let me just get down and then I'll see you later. Bye. I'm gonna switch on my Meta glasses for the further shoot. This is what I'm eating right now. So I wanted a picture with my vanity van. I'm gonna ask someone to click a video of me getting in and getting out. I don't know why, but it feels like it's aesthetic. I have to keep my shy away for that, so let's just hope. So this is my makeup and hair, so I'm just going to get it down. Wait a minute. So I'll just go and get my makeup and hair done. This is the makeup and hair team. Say hi! Hello! Hi guys, so I'm here getting makeup and hair done finally. I've just put sunscreen because I'm gonna shoot in like proper sun. So like it's gonna be like 35-40 degrees with 8-9 UV. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye. Bye.
ब्लॉग देखने का वेट करें।
मेरे YouTube पे देखना।
अच्छा, इंस्टा पे नहीं डालते आप?
नहीं, इंस्टा पे भी डालूंगी।
Okay.
Now I'm going to my set. So my shot is ready. I think so. They're gonna call me when my shot is ready. I'm just gonna like till then just relax because after that it's gonna get crazy. I'm gonna get my shot done, which is like for an ad, and then I'm gonna go for pictures. This is a yellow top I have to wear. So I came here at 7 a.m. thinking I was late by 1 hour, but guess what? It's like 10:30 a.m. I am almost half a day without sleep. Let's see how the other half goes, and yeah, I'm just waiting for my shot to get ready, and then I'm just gonna go and eat some fruits before that. What else can I do? The car is leaving for the shoot location, so let's hope we reach the shoot location ASAP. I'm gonna update you. I'm on the set.